Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a fold out album. I'm going to make the base on camera so you guys can see how to make the base. I'll have the instructions written up so you can see all the measurements, and I will put down the measurements for photo mats or page mats. Okay? You need 2 pieces of matching 12 by 12 paper, and we're going to cut them. Each one is a different size, okay? Pardon me. So first you're going to cut one of the pieces to 10, and these will be scored. So you're going to cut to 10, and then you're going to cut the 10-inch piece, the 12 by 10-inch piece, into 6 by 10 inch. So you'll have 2 6 by 10-inch pieces. And then the second section, you're going to cut to 8 1/4. Right? Is that right? Yes. 8 1/4, and that's also then going to be cut at 6. So as you can see, it is a 6-inch album. Okay? Then you're going to need your scoreboard. Need a scoreboard and a scoring tool, and we'll start with the 8 1/4 inch piece because it's the easiest. It is literally 2 scores. You're going to score at 4 and 4 1/4. Okay, so that's going to give you a 1/4 inch gusset. I'm going to turn around and score on the back also. Okay, so you're going to take the 6-inch by 8 1/4. Put it on the 8 1/4 side. You're going to score at 4 and 4 1/4. That's it on this piece. 4 and 4 1/4. Now on the 6 by 10 side, you're going to score at the 10-inch side, and you're going to do a couple of scores. You're going to score at 1 inch, right? Hold on. No, you're going to score at a 1/2 inch. Okay, I was wrong. I have this stuff written down wrong. Okay, so ignore this score line. That is wrong. Though, I can just flip it this way. Yep, I'm just flipping it because there's a 1/2 inch on that side. So we're going to score at 1 inch, 5 inch, 5 1/4 inch, and 9 1/4 inch, and 9 1/2 inch. Okay? We're going to flip it around and do it again. So 1 inch, 5 inch, 5 1/4, 9 1/4, 9 1/2. So we'll do it one more time. 1 inch, 5 inch, 5 1/4, 9 1/4, 9 1/2. 1 inch, 5 inch, 5 1/4, 9 1/4, 9 1/2. Okay? Those are all your score lines. Now, I'm going to take my handy dandy Cricut because it's what I always grab for, and I don't know why. We're just going to burnish our score lines on every piece. Okay. And you'll need one of each size on each side. Does that make sense? Okay. So this 1/4 inch gives us a little gusset. Okay, this 1 inch is going to connect to this 1 inch on this side. So these are going to get glued like so. All right. So I'm just going to take some glue and I'm going to line it up. Now we want it on the inside of the score. You do not want to go over the score line. You want to still be able to close and work your album. So all you have to do is make sure it can close like that. See? All right. So that is together. And then we're just going to take this piece. We're going to put some glue over here. And we're going to take this one and we're going to do the same thing. But remember, do not go over the score. You want to make sure that you can close your album. Also, wow, did I cut this short? Don't do that, okay? Jeez. What happened there? I don't know. I have no idea what happened there. But look how much shorter that is. It's like a good amount. That is human error, people. So it can still close. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing over here. Going to just put glue on this piece on the outside of the score line. Okay. All right, come on. Come on. And make sure you can close it, and you can. Make sure it doesn't interfere. So now this is what you have. You have this very long album, and it just literally gets folded like so in, and there you go. There's your little album. Now you need something to close it with. So at this point I would normally find something that matches very well, but I've said this before, I really need to get ribbon. I don't think I have anything. I have that, but that's so thick. So thick. I have this wood grain, but that's so wide. Yeah, I don't have anything. And since I'm not finishing this album, you know what? Let's go with cacti. Since I'm not decorating the album, I can't even find something that matches what I would decorate it with. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna, this is really thick though. I don't know. I don't really have anything. Alright, I have this yellow. I guess I'll just use this yellow. So what I would do, and I would use double stick tape, and I'm going to lay it out, and you want to cut off a good amount. I always say I would rather have too much ribbon, twine, than not enough. So what you're going to do is find the middle-ish. I don't care if it's the middle or not. That's my personal opinion, but if you care, then you care. Then you measure. Do that. Pull this off. Let's find the middle. just tie it closed. And then this would be covered by your mats. Now, how many mats are you going to need and what sizes? You're going to need a lot. Okay, because every one of these pieces can be covered. So, you will need, let me find something to write down. Alright, so, you will need 2 pieces that are 3/4 of an inch by 5 3/4. And then you'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 pieces of 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. That is what you will need to mat this entire album. And then once it's matted, you fold it up, tie it closed, and you have a super cute little album. Now, you let me know down below. Do you want me to finish this album? If you want me to finish this album, I will gladly do it. So you let me know. Do you want me to finish it? I will make sure I put, actually, you know what, because I will forget. We all know I'll forget, okay? So, 2 pieces of 6 by 10 scored at 1, 5, 5 1/4, 9 1/4, and 9 1/2 on 10-inch side, and 2 pieces of 6 by 8 1/4 scored at 4 4 1/4 on 8 1/4 side. Okay, let me zoom in. All right, there you go. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. But there you go. There's the measurements. And let me, right, hold on. These are the mat sizes and base and ribbon. There you go. Okay, that better? All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this crafty video. Please think of subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button and comment down below. Do you want me to finish this album? I will gladly finish this album. Yeah, I'll gladly finish it if you want me to, but honestly, I just kind of like coming up with base albums, and I don't always want to finish them, so there's that. Okay, that's the truth, okay? I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.